Hello children, today we are going to learn new lesson, new poem, Mr. Nobody. What? Mr. Nobody. Unit 6, Mr. Nobody. So open page number 90 and let us start. All of you pay your attention here. ध्यान से अब देखो Mr. Nobody. Read and enjoy this poem. We have to read and enjoy this poem. Okay. Now I am starting. Pay your attention here. I know a funny little man. I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse. As quiet as a mouse. Who does the mischief? Who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house? That is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. That every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Okay. Now I have read the poem. Now I am going to explain this poem. So pay your attention again here. Okay. First what? I know a funny little man. That means I know a funny little man. मुझे एक ऐसा funny little man पता है. And he is as quiet as a mouse. That means quiet means calm. CALM calm means शांत. कि वो कैसा है? As quiet as a mouse. Mouse की तरह quiet है. And who does the mischief? Who does the mischief? That is done in everybody's house. And what he does? He does the mischief. Means वो ऐसे शरारतीपन करता है जिससे नुकसान होता है. मिसचिफ मीन्स शरारतीपना, शरारत करना उससे और उससे नुकसान हो थोड़ा सा, ऐसी शरारत. मिसचिफ दैट इज डन इन एवरीबडीज हाउस. दैट मीन्स ही इज डूइंग द मिसचिफ दैट इज डन इन एवरीबडीज हाउस. हमारे घर में भी हम ऐसे मिसचिफ करते हैं. एंड देयर इज नो वन एवर सीज हिज फेस. दैट मीन्स देयर इज, आज तक उसे किसी ने भी नहीं देखा. देयर इज नो वन एवर सीज हिज फेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी ऑल्सो डन एनी मिसचिफ इन आवर हाउस and then our parents ask ki who has done it, so that time also we say na, we don't know, we can't see who has done it, ki humne nahi dekha ye kisne kiya hai. Same like that. And last we all agree, last hum sabhi mante hain, agree means manna, that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. कि every plate जो हमने तोड़ी है वो किसने तोड़ी है? वो Mr. Nobody ने. That means we don't know who has broken it. Understand? मतलब वो हम ही है, मिस्टर नोबडी. इन एवरीबडीज हाउस देयर इज वन मिस्टर नोबडी. ऐसा शरारती बच्चा हर घर में होता है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू से दिस पोएम विद द रिदम. अब मैं रिदम के साथ बोलूँगा. सी, आई नो अ फनी लिटिल मैन. आई नो अ फनी लिटिल मैन, एज क्वाइट एज अ माउस. एज क्वाइट एज अ माउस. हु डज द मिसचीफ? Who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house? That is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever, there is no one ever sees his face, sees his face. And yet we all agree, and yet we all agree that every plate we break, that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. Understand? So in this way we have learned this poem. Now we will see some new words from this poem. First word is quiet. Quiet means calm. Means बहुत शांत रहना, calm. Mischief. Mischief means you can say naughty, naughtiness, शरारती, mischief. Next everybody. Everybody means everyone, हर कोई, everybody. Agree. That means we agree, हम मानते हैं. That is agree. Nobody. Nobody means no one. Okay children. Now we will see some questions and answers of this poem. First question is, write answers of the following questions. Now you have to write this answers of these following questions. And first question is, who is Mr. Nobody? Who is Mr. Nobody? And its answer is, Mr. Nobody is a funny little man. Mr. Nobody is a funny little man. Next, has anyone ever seen him? That means anyone has ever seen him, कि किसी ने उसको देखा है. And its answer is no one has ever seen him. No one has ever seen him. Okay. Third question is there a Mr. Nobody in your house? क्या आपके घर में कोई Mr. Nobody है? Is there a Mr. Nobody in your house? And its answer is yes. There is a Mr. Nobody in my house. Yes, there is a Mr. Nobody in my house. Okay, children. Now we will see some questions from the textbook. Now see on page number 91. See, sometimes you want to look and find things for yourself. Tick those that you did. Tell your friends. That means here are some things, and first you have to read these things and tick it if you have done it. अगर आपने ये किया है तो उसके बॉक्स में यहाँ पे you have to tick it. Okay. First is I tried to see why the clock ticked. हाँ, yes, I have done. मैंने ये किया है कि ये clock टिक क्यों कर रहा है, ऐसे मैंने ढूंढने की कोशिश की है. So I have ticked in this box. Next, I went out of the house at night to see the stars. This thing also, now I am also doing. अभी मैं ये करता हूँ कि whenever I feel to walk in the night, I go outside and see the stars in the sky. So I have ticked. I climbed a tree to look into nest. I have not done it. मैंने ये नहीं किया है. If you have done it, अगर आप किसी ट्री पे चढ़े हो नेस्ट में देखने के लिए, घोंसले में देखने के लिए, तो आप ये टिक कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट, I climbed on a stool to find biscuits. I climbed on a stool to find biscuits. Yes, I have done it. ये मैंने किया है. So I have ticked here. Okay. Now see on page number 92. Here what you have to do, say aloud and circle the rhyming words. That means first you have to read the sentence and we have to circle the rhyming words. Rhyming words means which has same end. उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो सेम होता है ना एंड में, दैट इज राइमिंग वर्ड्स. सो फर्स्ट, अ माउस रैन इनटू द हाउस. अ माउस रैन इनटू द हाउस. हियर माउस एंड हाउस आर राइमिंग वर्ड्स. आई कैन सी द लिटिल बी. आई कैन सी द लिटिल बी मीन्स लिटिल बी मैं देख सकता हूँ. सी एंड बी. दैट वॉज अ फैट कैट. That was a fat cat. Fat and cat. Give me a handkerchief. Give me a handkerchief. So circle handkerchief. Give me a handkerchief. Don't do any mischief. Give me a handkerchief and don't do any mischief. Handkerchief and mischief. Handkerchief and mischief. These are rhyming words. Okay. So circled or the rhyming words. Okay. Now see on page number 93. Let's write. Now here is a writing task for you. Okay. First is fill in the blanks with A, E, I, O, U. We have to fill in the blanks with A, E, I, O, U. And we have to make meaningful word. So first is H-E-A-D. Head. First, head. Next, A-R-M-S, arms. A-R-M-S, arms. Then, L-E-G-S, legs. L-E-G-S, legs. Next, D-R-E-S-S, dress. D-R-E-S-S, dress. And last, H-A-I-R, hair. What? H-A-I-R, hair. So we have used all A-I-O here and written in the correct places. One more word also we have to write, or we can write. हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं H-E-A-R, here. Here means सुनना and hair means बाल. Okay, we can make two. हमने यहाँ पे ये भी बन सकता है, इसलिए I have written H-E-A-R, here, and H-A-I-R, hair. Okay, here means सुनना and hair means बाल. कि ये H and R के बीच में E A से भी ये स्पेलिंग होता है, अलग, एंड HAIR ये भी बनता है, इसलिए 2 I have written here. Okay. Now in the next, add no, some and every to the word buddy to make new words. Nobody. So nobody means कोई नहीं, no one. Somebody means कोई तो, somebody is there. And everybody means everyone, हर कोई. Okay. Next, last, सीमा wrote her father's name like this, Mr. दिनेश दीक्षित. सीमा ने अपने पापा का नाम लिखा मिस्टर दिनेश दीक्षित. राम wrote his mother's name like this, मिसेस स्नेहा रामदास. कि स्नेहा रामदास, इसने ऐसा नाम लिखा, मिसेस स्नेहा रामदास. Now what we have to do? We have to write your father's name as Seema did. Means how the Seema written her father's name, in the same way you have to write your father's name. आपके पापा का नाम है पहले को, and before that don't forget to write Mr. I have written here my father's name, Mr. then give full stop, Balasaheb Mahapure, Mr. Balasaheb Mahapure. You write your father's name and write your mother's name as Ram did, कि राम ने जैसे लिखा है वैसे आपकी मम्मी का नाम लिखो यहाँ पे. And don't forget to write Mrs. MRS, Mrs. शुभांगी महापुरे. And one thing keep in mind, एक बात याद में रखो, Mrs. means MRS is used for before married woman, कि जिस married woman के पहले हम Mrs. लिखते हैं. So Mrs. शुभांगी महापुरे. Now use Mr. and Mrs. to write more names you know. Write more names you know. You can write my name, Mr. Tejas Mahapure, and second is Mrs. Deepashri Chaudhary. यहाँ पे दीपश्री मिस का नाम लिखो, Mrs. Deepashri Chaudhary. Okay children, now what you have to do? You have to, I am going to tell you homework for you. First, you have to write these 3 questions and their answers in the notebook. Then you have to write all this page on in the notebook. हाँ, ये पूरा आपको लिखना है 93 वाला. Okay children? Okay. Okay children, we will stop here today. Thank you.